here we go, leaving the Isle of Man, just leaving Douglas Harbour now, sound archive safely packed in the car.
It's been a fantastic day. We've just dropped the sound archives off to Donal and Johnny at the National Museums Northern Ireland for the Unlocking a Sound Archive project. And we're just really excited now about them having the sound archives and beginning the digitisation in the next week or so. So on our homeward journey, and we'll be back in June.